Welcome to Astronomy Daily, where we explore the latest news in space and astronomy. I'm your host, Anna. In this episode, we'll dive into some truly fascinating updates. We'll discuss the revival of the Sherlock instrument on NASA's Perseverance rover, bringing it back online after 6 months. We'll look at surprising findings from the OSIRIS Rex mission, including a potential link to an ancient ocean world. We'll also cover Europe's Zero Debris Satellite Initiative, aimed at ensuring sustainable and safe space exploration. Plus, we'll talk about the new 3D visualization of the iconic pillars of creation and NASA's innovative project to grow space habitats from fungi. Finally, we'll touch on NASA's selection of a deorbit vehicle for the International Space Station, ensuring its safe descent after its operational life ends. Stay tuned. After 6 months of tireless effort, NASA's Perseverance rover team has achieved a significant milestone. They've successfully revived the Sherlock instrument. This crucial tool, which stands for Scanning Habitable Environments with Raman and Luminescence for Organics and Chemicals, is designed to analyze Martian rocks for potential signs of ancient microbial life. The Sherlock instrument encountered a significant issue back in January when a small motor responsible for moving its protective lens cover malfunctioned. This problem rendered Sherlock unable to collect data for several months. However, the dedicated team at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab in Southern California went into troubleshooting mode. They tested various solutions on an Earth-based duplicate of the Sherlock instrument. Among their many creative attempts, the team tried heating the motor, adjusting the rover's robotic arm to different angles, and even using the rover's percussive drill to jostle the mechanism loose. Their persistence finally paid off when, on March 3rd, imagery from Perseverance confirmed the cover had moved 180 degrees, enabling Sherlock to resume its crucial work. The team then faced another challenge, refocusing the instrument's optics, as they could not adjust Sherlock's focus through traditional methods. They ingeniously commanded the rover's robotic arm to make small adjustments in the distance between Sherlock and its target. This meticulous process helped them determine the optimal positioning for capturing high-resolution images and collecting strong spectral signals. By June 17th, the team verified that both Sherlock's spectrometer and cameras were fully functional. This success reinstates Sherlock as a key player in the Mars 2020 mission's quest to detect signs of ancient microbial life in Jezero Crater. This remarkable recovery exemplifies the tenacity and ingenuity of NASA's engineering teams, ensuring that Perseverance continues its groundbreaking exploration of the Martian surface with a full complement of scientific instruments. One of the most exciting recent discoveries comes from NASA's OSIRIS Rex mission, which successfully returned a sample from the asteroid Bennu. Early analysis of this sample has revealed that it is teeming with essential components for life as we know it: carbon, nitrogen, and organic compounds. These findings are particularly thrilling for scientists who are keen on understanding the building blocks of life and the formation of our solar system. But that's not all. The OSIRIS Rex team encountered a more unexpected surprise within the sample: magnesium sodium phosphate. This mineral wasn't detected by the spacecraft's remote sensing instruments while at Bennu, making its discovery even more intriguing. The presence of this phosphate mineral suggests that Bennu might have splintered off from an ancient, small, primitive ocean world. This insight opens up new questions about Bennu's origins and its potential watery past. The discovery of magnesium sodium phosphate is significant because it adds a new layer to our understanding of phosphate's role in prebiotic chemistry, a key aspect in the study of life's origins. Comparisons to the similar findings in JAXA's Hayabusa 2 mission from the asteroid Ryugu further validate this groundbreaking discovery and bolster the scientific community's excitement. This phenomenal find adds to the already rich repository of knowledge we've acquired from studying Bennu. It also underscores the importance of sample return missions in helping us piece together the intricate history of our solar system. As the analysis continues, these findings will undoubtedly bring us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and the origins of life. Stay tuned as we watch this space to learn even more amazing insights. The European Space Agency, or ESA, has recently taken significant strides to address the growing problem of space debris. On June 25, 2024, ESA signed contracts with 3 prominent European space industry players: Airbus Defence and Space, OHB, and Thales Alenia Space. These contracts aim to develop large low Earth orbit, LEO satellite platforms that adhere to rigorous zero-debris standards. This initiative is part of ESA's broader effort to ensure that future satellites not only avoid contributing to space junk, but also actively help to maintain cleaner orbits. The concept of zero debris implies that satellites will be designed with onboard measures to prevent debris creation during their operational and end-of-life phases. Holger Krauge, head of space safety at ESA, emphasized the urgency of developing these fail-safe technologies now to preserve lower Earth orbits for future generations. The ultimate goal is to have zero debris production lines ready by 2030. For years, ESA and its partners have been working collaboratively toward this ambitious target, setting new design requirements and standards for all future missions and activities. The recently inked contracts mark a crucial first step in making these plans a reality. Each of the contracted companies will develop standardized LEO satellite platforms that meet zero debris requirements. These platforms will serve as the foundational architecture onto which various scientific instruments and payloads can be integrated. The initial phase, scheduled to take about 18 months, will focus on addressing key technical challenges and establishing baseline designs. Beyond large satellites, ESA is also exploring innovative ideas for CubeSats and other small satellites that comply with zero debris targets. This means that whether big or small, future spacecraft will contribute to preserving the sustainability of space. With these efforts, ESA not only aims to protect our orbital environment, but also sets a global example in the responsibilities of spacefaring nations. By building zero-debris satellites, ESA is laying the groundwork for a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable future in space exploration. NASA has recently unveiled a breathtaking new 3D visualization of the iconic Pillars of Creation, located in the heart of the Eagle Nebula. This stunning visual feat was achieved using combined data from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, offering an unparalleled look into these ethereal star-forming clouds. The Pillars of Creation first captured the imagination of people worldwide when Hubble released its iconic image back in 1995. Now, this latest visualization takes that fascination to a new level by allowing viewers to virtually fly past and through the pillars, providing a three-dimensional view of these colossal structures. The visualization beautifully contrasts the views from Hubble's visible light observations and Webb's infrared light views, highlighting how each telescope reveals different aspects of the same cosmic object. The pillars, composed of cool molecular hydrogen and dust, are being relentlessly sculpted by the intense ultraviolet light and stellar winds from nearby young stars. These finger-like structures, larger than our entire solar system, are home to embryonic stars embedded within them. The towering pillars stretch across 3 light years, approximately 3/4 of the distance between the Sun and the nearest star, giving a sense of their immense scale. This 3D visualization is not just a piece of artistic wonder, it's built upon solid scientific data. Utilizing observational data from a study led by Anna McLeod at the University of Durham, the movie development team, guided by Frank Summers at the Space Telescope Science Institute, meticulously illustrated the intricate structures of the pillars. The result is a dynamic, educational experience that explains why having multiple space telescopes observing in different wavelengths is crucial for our understanding of the universe. Additionally, the new visualization highlights various stages of star formation. As viewers approach the pillars, they can witness an embedded protostar glimmering red, jets of material ejected from newborn stars, and brand new stars at the tips of the protruding fingers. This vivid depiction offers a more complete narrative of how stars are born and evolve within these celestial nurseries. A fantastic bonus to this project is the availability of a 3D printable model of the Pillars of Creation. This tactile, interactive tool allows enthusiasts and educators to explore the structure of the pillars in a new, engaging way, adding another dimension to their astronomical studies. By combining the observations from Hubble and Webb, this project not only provides a richer, more detailed view of the universe, but also demonstrates the collaborative power of modern astronomy. It's a vivid reminder of how far we've come in our exploration of the cosmos and how much more there is yet to discover. NASA's innovative Mycotecture off-planet project aims to grow habitats on the Moon and Mars using fungi. This groundbreaking research, led by a team at NASA Ames Research Center, seeks to create sustainable, lightweight structures for future explorers. By utilizing fungi and their underground networks known as mycelia, scientists hope to grow homes in space, dramatically reducing the need to transport heavy building materials. The concept is both ingenious and practical. Explorers could carry compact, lightweight habitats built from dormant fungi, which would then be activated with water to grow into fully functional living spaces. This not only saves on payload weight, but also offers a form of in situ resource utilization, a critical aspect of long-duration space missions. The project has garnered significant attention and funding, receiving a Phase 3 NIIC award of $2 million over 2 years to advance the technology further. Initial studies have demonstrated the feasibility of creating fungal-based biocomposites that can withstand space conditions, including radiation. The team is now looking to optimize these materials and conduct tests in low Earth orbit. But the potential impacts of this research extend beyond space. On Earth, the same fungal-based materials could revolutionize construction, offering eco-friendly alternatives for water filtration and mineral extraction from wastewater. This dual-use technology highlights the broader benefits of space research for solving earthly problems. In summary, NASA's Mycotecture Off-Planet project isn't just about building habitats in space. It's about pioneering new techniques that could transform the future of sustainable living, both on and off our planet. This innovative approach could be a game-changer for the next era of human space exploration. NASA has made a significant move by selecting SpaceX to develop a deorbit vehicle for the International Space Station. This decision is crucial in ensuring the safe, controlled descent and eventual destruction of the space station when its operational life concludes in 2030. The initiative is a testament to NASA's dedication to responsible space exploration and its commitment to mitigating risks to populated areas during the deorbiting process. The deorbit vehicle, once developed by SpaceX, will transition ownership to NASA, which will then operate it throughout its mission. This development is a part of a broader strategy as NASA transitions to commercially owned space destinations closer to Earth while continuing its pursuit of deep space exploration at the Moon and Mars. The International Space Station, a collaborative effort of 5 space agencies, including NASA, ESA, JAXA, Roscosmos, and CSA, has been a cornerstone of scientific and technological advancements since it became operational in 1998. Each agency has played a pivotal role in its maintenance and research contributions. However, as we approach the end of its life cycle, it's essential to ensure its deorbiting is conducted safely, which is the responsibility of all partnering agencies. The single award contract with SpaceX, valued at up to $843 million, underscores the importance of having a dedicated solution for the safe removal of the station from orbit. The vehicle's development will help NASA and its partners to ensure a responsible transition, paving the way for future commercial space stations and continued low Earth orbit research and operations. Throughout its 24 years of continuously crewed operations, the ISS has facilitated over 3,300 experiments across various scientific disciplines, from Earth and space science to biology and human physiology. The insights gained from these experiments have been invaluable, contributing to both our understanding of the cosmos and practical applications on Earth. As NASA continues to support the development of new space commerce platforms and transitions away from the ISS, the agency remains committed to maintaining the highest standards of safety and responsibility in space. The selection of SpaceX for this critical task is a key step in that journey, ensuring that the legacy of the ISS will conclude as responsibly as it operated. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Astronomy Daily. I'm your host, Anna. Don't forget to visit our website at astronomydaily.io to access all our back episodes, sign up for our free daily newsletter, and read the latest space and astronomy news in our constantly updating newsfeed. Astronomy Daily is available wherever you get your podcasts, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music, and iHeartRadio. Please subscribe, rate, and share. And please support our sponsors who help us keep the lights on, including NordPass, NordVPN, Proton Mail, and Amazon. Links to their special offers are available on our website. See you tomorrow.